Okay. Oh, here we go. This looks good. Make your own unholy relics. Most of these ornate relics you dream of possessing were handmade long ago by an evil craftsperson not so different from you. Why not make your own replica and have fun being creative at the same time? Try these ideas. Aluminum foil crown of the doomed. Bead and wire ring of fire. Soap dish forbidden voodoo idol. Paper towel roll evil scepter. Matchstick amulet of the damned. Spooky milk carton votive candle shade. Oh, hi. It's me, Audrey, again. Yeah, I've been, I try to get along with Christine, and she just makes it kind of impossible. She just was not happy with me for some of the experiments that I was doing, and she was telling me that this channel, it's supposed to be about creativity, and it's supposed to be about nice, like, home decor things, and blah, 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 blah. And so I decided that I'm gonna show her some decor. We're gonna, today, make some thoroughly evil mad scientist lab decor that's really gonna show her. So, let's get started. Ha ha. Look at what we have here. It says, I see you. Beware. Ooh, beware of that hideous mutant eye. Ooh. And, don't you just love all the labware on here? I think this is just so awesome. I made another one that's kind of on the same theme because, you gotta have two eyes. So let's see how that one goes. Ha 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 ha. Ooh, look, it's evil. Ooh, it's mad. Ooh, and it's got lots of cool labware on there too. Oh my God, yeah, I know that this was, she was probably saving this for something, but I put it to a much, much better use. So, and okay, I got one more awesome thing to show you. What would a mad scientist be without like a nice big board to write your hideous plans for making monsters? So let me show you how I made one of those. Ha! It's my monster plans! Whoa! And I'm planning on this. These are some of the monsters I'm planning on making. And of course, I want to get some more eyeballs. And you got to weigh your monsters. And I need to get some more lab outfits and things. Oh, and I want to get one of these. That's just, I think, a must. But these are all my 2020 plans for all the different monsters I'm going to make. So this is a must for any mad scientist lab. So I hope you enjoyed this, and hopefully I'll be back next week with
Audrey. What have you done to my office?
She's back again. Okay, I got to get going, but I will see you next week, and happy Labware, everyone.